Hi friends, and welcome to the ranch. Today I have for you a video of some birds that have laid eggs in nests, and I have watched the birds hatch and get a little bigger, and birds have finally flown out of the nests. So I wanted to show you some of the things that have been going on here. A house finch will lay 2 to 6 slightly bluish eggs. They will eat seeds and berries. 4 baby house finches in a nest. Aren't they cute? I came back to check on the little baby birds in the nest a few days later, and they are gone. They have flown away. This is that empty nest that the 4 little house finches were in, and it was on top of my propane heater. I put a dime inside so you can see about how big the nest is. A hummingbird will normally lay 2 eggs in a tiny nest. The mother will sit on the eggs for 50 minutes out of every hour. There are 2 eggs in this hummingbird nest so far. I placed a dime in there in the nest so that you can see how tiny those little eggs are compared to a dime. There are now 3 little eggs in this hummingbird nest. Mama bird was just sitting on them, so we'll keep checking. Baby hummingbirds. Here they are. A killdeer will lay her eggs on the ground. Killdeer parents will pretend to be injured in order to lure other animals away from the eggs or babies. A baby killdeer is ready to run soon after hatching. This mama bird is not happy that I discovered her nest. There she is. She's very upset. Okay, Mama, I will leave your 4 little eggs alone. Sweet little bird. 3 have hatched. There's the second one. And there's the third one. All 4 birdies have hatched now. Friends, I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of these baby birds here on the ranch. Take some time when you're outside and see if you can notice any birds in your neighborhood.